Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most practical tools for the winter season, the SHANTRA Folding Snow Shovel. If you're looking for a reliable, compact snow shovel for your car or emergencies, this is the one you want. It's lightweight, easy to store, and highly functional, making it the best choice for anyone in need of a collapsible snow shovel for car emergencies. Let's start with the design. This snow shovel is built to be ultra-portable, weighing just 1.45 pounds, which makes it incredibly easy to carry around. Whether you're keeping it in your car for those unexpected snowfalls or packing it for your next winter camping trip, its lightweight nature ensures it won't take up too much space. When folded, it's only about 12 inches long, so you can stash it easily in the trunk of your car or even in your backpack. Now, let's talk about the materials. The shovel features an aluminum alloy handle, which ensures durability while remaining light enough for anyone to use. This material choice makes it resistant to bending and ensures that the shovel lasts through tough winter conditions. The PP head of the shovel is also designed to be tough enough to handle heavy snow removal, making it a solid tool for clearing snow from driveways, walkways, or even your car's windshield. One of the standout features is the ergonomic D-grip handle. This feature enhances comfort and control when you're shoveling. The design of the handle allows for better leverage, so you can shovel with less effort and greater efficiency. This is particularly useful during those long, snowy days when you need to clear multiple areas. Plus, the sturdy aluminum edge helps the shovel cut through the snow more effectively, saving you time and energy. The SHANTRA Folding Snow Shovel isn't just for snow, though. Its versatile design makes it great for handling other outdoor challenges too. Whether it's clearing sand or mud or even digging in your garden, this shovel can do it all. It's the perfect companion for outdoor adventures, camping trips, or even when you're stuck in a tough spot during winter driving. If you run into any issues with the shovel, you can count on their support team to help you resolve any concerns promptly. All in all, if you're looking for a snow shovel that's portable, durable, and efficient, the SHANTRA Folding Snow Shovel is an excellent choice. Whether it's for your car, driveway, or outdoor activities, this shovel will have you covered when the snow falls. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations.